Welcome back. For this process, we're going to open up the editing area from a previous version of Camtasia. We're actually going to open up Camtasia version 9 for this process. And from Camtasia version 9, we're going to open up the old project. We'll now see that project available. We're going to open it in Camtasia version 9. What you'll notice here in Camtasia version 9 is that it will undertake a conversion process. We are going to say yes to the conversion process. Once the project upgrade has taken place, we're then going to click OK. And what you'll notice now is that the project file has a new file extension which matches that in the newest version of Camtasia Studio. What we can now do is we can close our previous version, which for the purposes of this video is Camtasia version 9. We're going to exit and close. We are now back in the most recent version of Camtasia, which for the purposes of this video is Camtasia version 2021. And we're now going to open the new project file. And we're going to open it in the new version of Camtasia. And you'll notice now that there's going to need to be a second conversion. We're going to say yes to this conversion. Once that conversion has taken place, we're then going to click OK. And our project has now been upgraded into the most recent version of Camtasia. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.